Welcome to this video on fractions. We will cover equivalent and simplifying fractions, multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting fractions. Before we begin, try these starter questions to refresh your algebra knowledge. Pause the video now to solve them, and continue when you are ready to proceed. Our focus today is algebraic fractions. The learning intention is to explain how to simplify them. By the end, you should understand the term highest common factor and be able to simplify algebraic fractions by identifying the HCF. Creating equivalent fractions involves multiplying the top and bottom by the same non-zero number. This exact same process is used for algebraic fractions, but you can multiply by a number or a letter. Finding a common denominator for two fractions is essential. For algebraic fractions, we apply the same principle as numerical fractions to find a common denominator, ensuring we deal with both numerical and algebraic terms. We can sometimes reduce fractions to a simpler form if the numerator and denominator share a number or letter in common. This is done by identifying the highest common factor, or HCF, and dividing it out, as shown in these examples. Now, try to simplify each fraction to determine what goes in the boxes. This exercise focuses on applying the concepts we just discussed. Next, let's explore multiplication of algebraic fractions. Our learning intention is to explain how to multiply them. Success criteria include knowing the rules for simple fraction multiplication and applying this knowledge to algebraic fractions. When multiplying fractions, both numerical and algebraic, you multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. You can then simplify the result by dividing out common factors. We now move on to division of algebraic fractions. Our intention is to explain the division process. Success means knowing the rules for dividing simple fractions and applying them to algebraic fractions. To divide fractions, we apply the keep, change, flip rule, transforming the problem into a multiplication, then simplifying by dividing out common factors. Here are two examples of algebraic fraction division. Example 2 is a simpler one, while example 3 involves expressions that need to be factored first before simplifying. Example 4 of algebraic fraction division demonstrates the process of keeping, changing, and flipping. We factor the quadratic expressions and then cancel out common factors to reach the final simplified expression. Let's look at the addition of algebraic fractions. Both numerical and algebraic fractions require a common denominator before adding. Once added, simplify the numerator and denominator by finding the HCF. Examples 2 and 3 illustrate the addition of algebraic fractions. Remember to find the common denominator and then combine the numerators. In example 3, expanding and simplifying the numerator is the final step. We now focus on subtracting algebraic fractions. Our goal is to explain how to subtract them. The success criteria are knowing how to subtract simple fractions and applying that knowledge to algebraic fractions. Subtraction of algebraic fractions follows the same steps as addition. We find the common denominator and then subtract the numerators. Example 1a demonstrates numerical subtraction, while 1b shows the algebraic process. Examples 2 and 3 illustrate algebraic subtraction. Remember to find a common denominator first, then combine the numerators. In example 3, distribute the multiplication and simplify the terms to find the final expression.